A very good morning, student. Welcome to Blue Stars. This is your 10th standard class. And now, today we are going to discuss about the heredity lesson. That is the unit number 18. Just you have to recall in a last class what we have seen in last class. Chromosome, DNA and gene. Right? We are seeing the regions of chromosome. And today class we are going to discuss about the types of chromosome based on the position of centromere. Based on the centromere, we already say that what is a centromere? They are present in the center part of the chromosome, that is the centromere. So based on the position of centromere, they are having some types of chromosome. That only we are going to discuss in that class. And next they are having some functions also. Okay, the two topic we are going to discuss in this class in the page number of 266. Okay, first thing, in that position of a centromere, they are classified as a 4 type. First one is the telocentric. What is the first one? Telocentric. And next one is the acrocentric. What is the next one? Acrocentric. And third one is the submetacentric. Submetacentric. And fourth one is the metacentric. What is the fourth one? Metacentric. So this is a 4 types of a chromosome based on the position of centromere. Centromere position பொறுத்து. Okay. What they have said position of a centromere? Here this is the structure of chromosome. Okay. Based on the position of centromere, they are classified as a 4 type: telocentric, acrocentric, submetacentric and metacentric. Okay ma, let's be more a topic in one by one. First one, just write a topic of a first one: telocentric. Here, first thing, we know that what is the meaning for telocentric. Here, telo is there, no, which means end. Centric, which means a centromere. Okay, so centromere are present in the end of a chromosome. The name is telocentric. Okay, and now a centromere are present in the end of a chromosome. We say no, just like this. Now see the centromere where it is present in the end of a 2 proximal end. That is a proximal end, 2 equal arm irukum. Adoda end la they are presence of a centromere. Okay, now we have to say that what is the shape of a chromosome? This is a shape. Okay, va? What is the shape of a chromosome? A rod shaped. Okay, what is the shape ma? A rod shaped chromosome. So telocentric na a rod shaped chromosome. They are present on the proximal end of an chromosome. Telo nale end da, proximal na nearby la irukra centromere. Say chromatides. Okay, va? Adoda end la irukra centromere da telocentric ன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. The shape is a rod in shape. Rod மாதிரி இருக்கா, இரும்பு கம்பி மாதிரி இருக்கா, that is a rod in shape of a chromosome. Okay, and next one, what is the next one we are having? Acrocentric. Here, and next position of centromere of chromosome is acrocentric. Acro, which means height. Okay, centric, which means centromere, you know that. Here a centromere are found at the end of shorter arm. என்ன சொல்றாங்க? Shorter arm. It is the centromere found at the end of shorter arm. So shorter, they are indicate as a height. Height indicate பண்ணியாச்சா? Just see a diagram. Now, I have to say this is a longer one and this is the shorter one. So, centromere are found just near to the one of the end of shorter arm. Near to the shorter arm la irukum. And another one is a longer arm. So, they are also known as a rod shaped. Okay, so they are also known as a rod shaped chromosome. Okay ma, so this is an acrocentric. Just you have to say it again. What is meaning of acrocentric? Acro, which means they are indicating of height. Here a centromere are found at the one end of shorter arm and another end of longer arm. Okay, this is a meaning of acrocentric. So the shape is this one also like a rod shaped chromosome. Okay, so that's it for an acrocentric. Let me move on. Next one, a third point. Third chromosome is submetacentric. Submetacentric. Okay, here a submetacentric. Meta, which means beyond. Okay, beyond and சொல்லுவாங்க. Here a submetacentric. A centromere. This is a centromere. A centromere are found near to the center of the chromosome. Just near, not an equally they are found. Just near to the center. Near to the center of the chromosome, they are formed as a unequal. இதை பார்த்தோன்னா ஷார்ட்டாக இருக்கும், இதை பார்த்தோன்னா லாங்காக இருக்கும். ஓகேவா? ஸோ தே ஆர் ஃபார்ம்ட் as a unequal arm. Unequal arms. They are formed as a unequal arm. So what is the shape பார்த்தோன்னாக்கா? The shape is J-shaped. Why they said J-shaped? Just see this. Okay, for that reason they are given a name of J-shaped or L in shape also. This is a L in shape also. Okay, J or L in shape. This is an important 5 marks ma. Just understand it clearly. Submetacentric. A submetacentric, a centromere are found and near to the, that is a found in the near to the center point. Center point க்கு near la இருக்கும் centromere. They are forming as a unequal arm form ஆகும். ஓகேவா? what is the shape பார்த்தோம்னாக்கா J or L in shape. So that's it for an submetacentric. Maybe more last one. Last fourth one is the metacentric. Metacentric. Here a metacentric. Meta we already said that beyond. Okay va? Here a submetacentric na just near to the center. Appo metacentric la they are present in a equally. Exactly they are present in the center of an chromosome. Okay, exactly they are centromere. Exactly they are found in the center of a chromosome. Chromosome உடைய சென்டர்ல இருக்கும். So that they are said as a this is the V-shaped. Okay, what is the shape of a chromosome? V-shaped chromosome. Okay, so that's it for a types of a chromosome based on the position. Okay, just have to recall once again. Would we have seen a first one? 4 types of chromosome. A first one is the telocentric, and next one is the acrocentric, and third one is the submetacentric, and last one is the metacentric. Okay, first one telo nale end. Here a centromere are found in the end of a chromatide. Chromatide ku end part la irukum. So that they are given a name of telocentric. Okay, centric nale centromere, and here what is the shape to that? A rod in shape of a chromosome. Okay, and next one is the acrocentric. Acro, which means they are indicated as a height indicate பண்ணும். So that one arm is a shorter and another arm is a longer. Okay, and here they same also they are a rod in shape. Okay, handle மாதிரி இருக்கா, rod மாதிரி இருக்கா, so rod in shape. And next one is the submetacentric. Here a submetacentric centromere are found just near to the center. Not exact to that, just near to the center part la இருக்கும். Unequal arm, ஏன்னா just near to the center தான். இது வந்து long ஷார்ட்டாக இருக்கும், இது வந்து லாங்காக இருக்கு இல்லையா? So unequal arm will be formed. Here they are given a shape for the J in shape or L in shape. Okay, and last one is the metacentric. Here a centromere are found in the center part. They are formed as a V-shaped chromosome. Okay, so that's it for an types of chromosome based on the position of centromere. Next video we are going to discuss about the types of chromosome based on the function. Okay ma, just see you next video.